Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video we're showing you how to change your brake lights, guys, on a BMW X1 E84. So if you go up around the back of your car and you open up your boot or your trunk, whatever you want to call it, you'll notice that there is two covers here. There's one here and there's one cover here as well, which allows you to have access right to your brake lights. So basically, I'm going to go in your boot. I'm going to get this cover here and pop it out. Okay, so we'll grab it, pop it out like that, and that is going to give you access to all of these. Okay, so now you have up in here, you have three clips. There's one here, okay, one there, and then there's one just on the other side, just there. Let's try to move this camera around. Well, you get the gist. One there, and so two down the bottom, and then there's one just up the top, which is this one there. So you want to get your hands up in there. Oh, this is so awkward. You just pop your hand up there, pop the top one off first. You just push it. You just want to pull it down, and then this one here, get them at the same time, push them to the side, and you just wobble this out like that. And then this will give you access to your brake lights. Just want to sort of slide that out, and then there's your brake lights, guys. You pretty much just twist them out, pop them out, put a new one in and twist it in. Very simple, very easy. Hope this video helped. It's the same concept for the other side, so don't really need to show you the other side. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.